guys, it's me Ivana and this is my cousin Jenny. So now I'm gonna show you our school supplies haul 2014. So let's get started. So first, my cousin's bag. Wait a minute for my bag. My cousin's bag is called Kitty. We bought this from Hello Kitty store. And on my cousin's bag, on this bag, we have Hello Kitty notebook. This is composition number. This is a lip. Can you see that? Hello Kitty notebook. And next thing I'm gonna show you is paper of my cousin. It's grade 1 paper. It is Victory writing pad paper. The next my cousin has that. This blinking bat is on this blinking bat belongs to the All-Star collection. Sorry for that. And we can try it. Hello! It will be lighting like that. Oh my gosh, ouch! And how this two-hole chopper. This is top chopper. This is large pencil and this is two holes that is two small holes. Like this. Just a minute. I'll show you how this works. Like this. Next thing we have is a tumbler. Tumbler. Oh my gosh, ouch. It is the Amazing Spider-Man from movie. It is Spider-Man and his characters. This is image appearing Spider-Man. And this cousin's hat. Pencil case. This is pencil case. Can you see that? Here's the back side, the other side, and then front. Open it. My cousin has eraser. This is the original eraser. It has 8 Kyla crayons. This is the tile. Wait, I'm talking. So this is Belle, Cinderella. Oh my god. This is Aurora. So I'll put the and here. So I'll put that in here. So I have these 2 jumbo pencils. This is red and this is blue. This is shiny blue. And then I have this 2 what's this? Princesses. Oh my gosh. And then I have my favorite castle. And she has a favorite castle #1 pencil. It's all very dark. I'll put that. So I put Binatang mo? Kaya! Sorry for that. My cousin is and then we have this ruler. Ruler for two. Mommy, I'll do mga budget ko na. Hanapin. So, is the pencil okay? So, this is my cousin's pencil. And then, wait a minute. Hang on a second. And next thing, my bag. I have this heartstring bag. And then I have this blue magic pencil case. And then I have a silk thumb, Mongol sharpener, cake eraser set #2, Keroppi eraser set #5, stick eraser. These are original stick eraser. And then I have this little puzzle from my mom's hat. Hello. And then I have my two designer pens. These designer pens are so thin. This is a lime green and this is a strawberry red. And then I have and I have Mongol pencil. And then I have favorite castle #2 pencil. And then I have my Avanti turnable pen. And I have my pen that has multicolors. It has black, red, green, and blue. I'm using the green, and I'll just point this and has a box. Oh my god. So, next thing I'm gonna show you is my blinking band. This blinking band is from All Star Collection. Is my BFF, my BFF. So I'm gonna start using it for this bit. It is and then I'm gonna show you my onion hairbrush. Is a brand new style for me. I'm gonna just comb my brows like that. Comb it. Oh my gosh. And then I have my Jade two grade 4 papers. This grade 4. Is it right? Grade 4 a bunch of papers. This is short writing pad. And then I have my Hello Kitty red. I have 10 of those. I had one notebook from Frozen and one notebook from Rapunzel. I have this red velvet orange one. It has a red orange and has red orange color. This is red and this is orange. It has Hello Kitty on it. I have my pinkish orange. This is Spiral Notebook Purple. And then I have my dark green color. This is level. And then I have, because I say you, that I have a Frozen notebook and one Rapunzel. I'm showing you my water Frozen notebook. This is Frozen. This is I don't know what's his name because I don't know. I have here Anna from Frozen, Elsa from Frozen, Olaf from Frozen. It has a Frozen Anna, and that of the cover it has always up for adventure. And then I have my Hello Kitty yellow. No, look. This is It'll Live, and this is Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty Spicy Blue. And Rose also. And move the camera. And then I have my purple Hello Kitty notebook. Then I have my pinkish Hello Kitty notebook. Then I have my, because I said I have Rapunzel notebook and also here's my Rapunzel notebook. This is Daisy Libbs. This is a spiral notebook. Then I have my yellow green notebook from Hello Kitty. All of my notebooks are Hello Kitty and Frozen and Rapunzel. Because I love Frozen, Rapunzel, Hello Kitty, Barbie, but I didn't know that my notebooks are okay. So thanks guys for watching, and give me a quick thumbs up and subscribe, comment, and on Twitter. On Twitter, my name is Isabel Saudiano, and on my Instagram, my name is on Instagram is Ivana Barceliano, and at Plum and at Tumblr, my name is KTVT Girl Ivana. So thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you guys.